Hello everyone, welcome to Alina's Fashion. Here we deal with adults and children's wear. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new to this channel. Like my video and leave your comments. Today we're going to be talking about how to put breast pad or wording in your blouse. Okay, the video for this blouse cutting is also down below. So here we go. We just place a cut front bodies on the wording. You take your measurements 1 inch from the neckline. Okay, so yeah, you just have to trace it on your wording. Just trace what you've done on your wording. The cutting of this video is also there. You got and check for how to cut a bustier and shoulder that blouse. So here we go. Just place fabric on the wording and give it a good trace to under the bust. Okay, so I told you come 1 inch from the neckline, 1 inch down. Then you place your wording underneath it. Okay, you wouldn't want your wording to be on the neckline, no. So here we go. I'm positioning it very well. Just position it very well on your wording. Trace it out, cut it out, okay, and then I'll show you how you're going to be sewing it. 1 inch from the neckline. Don't use exactly on the neckline. So just measure to under the bust, okay. 1 inch from the neckline, then wording you stop cutting it underneath the bust area. So here we go, just trace it out, tracing out the front bodies on the wording. Okay, so make sure you position your wording very well so that it will come out very fine. So here is it. This is the wording being cut out. Okay, from here to this side is plus 4 inches or 5 inches. Sure you cut like maybe 4 inches after this bust point. Mark your bust point and under bust. This is very essential for your sewing. Make sure you mark your bust point on the central bodies and the side bodies, okay, and the side bodies. Mark your bust point in both sides. When I was cutting this blouse in the previous video, I showed us how we mark it. You mark it immediately you cut it, okay. So it's very essential. So as you can see, the wording is cut out according to the shape of the blouse, and I've arranged it this way, and also cut also my George fabric and also the other satin. So we're going to be sewing this all together. Okay, we're going to be positioning the wording like this, and then we'll be sewing it all together. Please mark this bust point and under bust. Okay, so when you're pinning, just first of all pin the bust point and then you pin the under bust. Okay, so don't forget, when you want to cut your wording, come 1 inch or 2 inches on after the under bust. After the under bust, this is how you're going to be sewing it. Add the sewing from after the under bust, the 1 inch you took, and then sew it upward. You get something like this, very beautiful. For this sleeve, I have a video on how to cut this scrunchie sleeve and for this blouse. Thank you for watching, Alina.